Our next definition is about segment. Segment, you know that segment actually is the portion or it is a part. Segment means the part. Okay. The segment is a portion of a circle bounded by an arc and a corresponding chord. Okay, for example, my dear students, if we will draw the circle into, if we will draw a chord in a circle, then this chord will divide the circle into two parts. First one is, these two parts are known as the segment. Okay. Evidently, chord actually divide a circle into two segments. Okay, now we will move to our next two definitions, because these two definitions are the types of the segments. First one is major segment and second one is minor segment. Major, remember one thing, my dear student, whenever we are going to discuss about the major or the minor concept in the circle, it means major will goes with the greater than semicircle and minor means smaller than semicircle. Okay, if like the major arc, minor arc, like this, if a segment is greater than the semi or a half circle, then it is known as the major segment. And whenever if the segment is smaller than the semi or the half circle, then this is known as a minor segment. There is an example of major or the minor segment, but if in your class, in your board paper or in school paper, the definition of one thing is given, then you will draw the complete circle and then you will mention the relevant definition, relevant example of the definition. Minor segment, you can see that this minor segment actually is smaller than the half circle, because this is the center of the circle. So this is the smaller of the half circle, that's why this is known as a minor segment, and this portion is the greater of the half circle, that's why this portion is known as the major segment. Okay, my dear students, now we will move to our next definition, which is about the sector. Sector of a circle is the plane figure bounded by two radii and one arc. Remember one thing, that sector actually is the portion or the part of a circle it is a plane figure which is bounded by two radii and one arc, and in this way that an arc intercepted between them. Radii means, you know that radii actually is the plural of the two radius, plural of the radius. So radii means two radius. Any pair of the radii divide a circle into two sector. Okay, like this. Every chord divide a circle into two segments. Like this, any pair of the radii divide a circle into two sectors. There are again two definitions of the sector: minor sector and the major sector. If the sector lies in a semicircle, remember one thing: if a sector lies in a semicircle, then this is known as a minor sector.